Hello everyone, my name is Sushant Maheshwari and I'm here on behalf of Imbibe Skills. Welcome to Teenage Swag, empowering youth, empowering India. Why teenage swag? Who we are, who teenagers are, who youngsters are. And this is the reason why we have come with this program of Teenage Swag. So let's know what was the purpose of this particular program, why Teenage Swag is the motive we have came with. So let's explore what is Teenage Swag. To understand this Teenage Swag and its need, let us see what are the things we have noticed and we found in a survey, so that we can understand what is the current situation, what are the challenges we are facing, and what's our vision to imbibe those skills, those qualities, those strengths in the youngsters, in the teenagers. So let us look at this. Let us look at some figures. So let us see. Let us see what's the actually current situation is. According to the UN report, 1 million heroin addicts are registered in India, and 21.4% children in 12 to 18 years. You can see the figures of children. It's like 21.4% are among children, that is of the year age of 12 to 18%, 12 to 18 years. Those who consume alcohol, bad habits like cocaine and all. The second reason that that was the current situation, we saw that 83.4% advertisements are not suitable for a healthy life, and due to its passionate appeasements, over two-thirds youth are engaged in inappropriate habits. Means the advertisement they see, they get appeased, they get appealed from that particular advertisement, and that's why they get indulged in those bad habits. Their lifestyle went wrong, and they follow some unhealthy lifestyle. And the third is 5,500 youths start taking tobacco every day, joining the 4 million club in India of under 15 years of age. You can see this, that every 5,500 youth is coming into that particular bracket of joining that consuming tobacco and alcohol. 1 in 4 teenagers in India suffers from depression. You can see this figure, 1 in 4 teenagers. 1 in 4 teenagers in India suffer from depression. See, if an adult suffer from depression, we can say that yeah, due to some problems maybe he's into depression. But what about the teenagers? Why they are into depression? And these data is from NCB data that shows every hour one student commits suicide in India. Now let us see what are the challenges we are facing into this. Let us see the challenges also. What are the challenges that we are unable to overcome these things? What are the challenges we are facing? How can we target youth and make a methodological approach to restrain them from bad habits? How we can target youth? See, India is the second largest populated country in among all the countries. So how we can target those youths? And as you all know that India is also considered as a youth factory. Everyone knows there are n number of young minds in India. So how we can target them, how we can imbibe those things in them, how we can make them strength. Second point is, where is the target zone of youth? Where is the target zone of youth? How to transform the idea of being cool or be in swag? How to transform their idea that they have, what actually they expect that swag is, and to make them reality that what actually the swag and being cool means. How to divert them from artificial world of e-media to the real world of life achievements. See, we all are influenced by social media these days, and though youth are also being influenced by this. So how to transform their mental capability, mental ability from e-media to real world life achievements. Third challenges, four challenges: almost negligible physical, mental, spiritual, or financial leveraging by social organization to curb these tendencies at the root level, especially for youth. Many organizations are working among youth, but still there are few things that we are unable to transform or change those things. They are unable to see the root level of the root level of the problem. So here we are backed up by the teenage swag, that how we can imbibe those things, how we can strengthen, how we can inculcate those good habits, those strength in our youths. Fifth challenge is lack of knowledge of appropriate method creates the friction between parents, teacher and child. It is also known that there is a relation between parents, teacher and child, and to make a healthy relationship we have to do something. We have to make them, we have to give them counseling, we have to give them some training session that is being required, even for the parents, even for the teachers, even for the child itself. And how to imbibe those 21st century skills in the life of a student, in the life of a teenager, in the life of a youngsters. So these are the challenges that a particular organization faces, and this is what we are trying to curb those things. We want to transform those things by imbibing those things, by giving training sessions, by giving counseling to the students, and this is our wholly and primarily objective, to transform the minds of a youth by these things, by these appeasements. What's our vision is, what actually we think, we actually want that we have to change in youths and teenagers. A society of youth is well aware of the adverse ill effects of these harmful tendency of drug addiction, alcoholism, advertisement that they face. They also know the negative effect of social media appeasements, but due to over advertisement and inappropriate association, they get trapped in these things. They get trapped in these things, and they have a negative impact on their mind, their mental health, and that's why they get transformed into bad things. We together can become educating partner and cater and fulfill the needs of those youths by creating awareness against the drugs, abuse, alcoholism, tobacco usage, etc., and to show a glorious path to them, to give them the motive, the aim, the aim of their life, that what actually they can focus on, so that they can develop a healthy lifestyle and they can develop their own future. They can make the future, they can make a futuristic approach. So these are the vision that is being think and that we want to inculcate, we want to imbibe as an imbibe skills. So what are the things, what are the programs we are focusing on? Let us have a look over it. See, being teenage swag, we are focusing on few of the things, that how we can inculcate those healthy habits in the life of a students, in the life of a teenagers. How we can do that, how we can inculcate those healthy habits, and how we can make them, how we can help them to learn how to handle the failure, how they can handle the failure, and what are the things, what are the methods by which we can inculcate those things, by which they can say no to drinking and smoking. What are the things, what are the activities by which we can make them their choices right, what are the things by which they can take their own decision, they can make their right decision. Effective use of technology, what are the ways by which they can use the technology in an effective way. As we know that technology, that development and destruction go hand in hand, so it depends on us whether we want to develop or we want to get destruction. So it, if, use of technology is the best part and the must part. We should know how we can use those technology in a better way. And effective communication, see, communication is one of the most important thing that we should learn and we have to imbibe in our youth also, because until and unless they will not say, they will not speak, they will not say about what they are feeling, so we won't be able to change them. That's why effective communication is very much important. So these are the things which we want to cater those things in our students, in our youngster, in our youth, in our teenage, so that they can apply these things, they can help, they can develop their future. And what are our methods of inculcating those things? We do motivational seminars, we give handhold supporting, we give personal counseling, we give e-learning camps, we have educational workshops. These are the ways by which imbibe skills, try to imbibe those things in the youngster and the generations. Last, I would like to tell you something more about imbibe skills, what actually imbibe skill is and how imbibe skill works. Imbibe skills is a brand. Imbibe skill is a brand led for creating exciting contents and deliver training according to the need of ever growing nation. Teenage Swag is an effective program we came up with for the complete solution of a problem faced by the youth of India. We specialize in designing innovative programs and collaborating with multiple stakeholders to deliver impact of collaborating with thousands of lives at the grassroots. We try to change those lives so that we can create a very bright future of our nation. We work extensively with many state governments in both rural and urban environments to implement education programs covering teachers training, livelihood programs, multimedia content, and out of school community development programs. In the current project, we are working with 1000 plus students across the country implementing education and life skills program. The main thing we focus with the students, with our youngster, is educating them and implementing life skills program in their life. We propose to conduct this program with your support and request for your cooperation in enabling us to implement the same program in your district or within the nation. The program will be delivered by our facilitators and managed by our experienced team. Since Teenage Swag is widely accepted program, hence it ensures us to resonate your brand value with a significant impact in the society. We want to make a drastic impact in the society so that we as an organization of Imbibe Skill and your organization can show the impact that we are making in the society. Thank you so much. I hope you will help us with this program and we see to get a beautiful collaboration in the future. Thank you so much. All the best. Thank you.